Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you Scout Exchange, how to easily use players to exchange with 100 Scout points in FC Mobile. Before we start, I made this video for beginner new into this game, still confused how you can challenge the event, how you can complete the game or quest so you can get ton of reward from this game. Let's get started by tap the Centurions event. And let's jump into the last chapter. This is the Fine Centurions. So in this Fine Centurions, you have to earn Scout points. You must earn Scout points by play the Scout searching. So you can claim 100 Scout points, and you can use the Scout points to play the Scout travel. You need 50 Scout points to move and claim the rewards. And also after certain laps, you can earn the milestone. For example, you can unlock this milestone after completing 3 laps, 5 laps, and so on. And there is another way to earn the Scout points. Beside the Scout searching, you can exchange the Scout points. Use this Scout exchange feature. So you can get 100 Scout points. Let's tap go to exchange. So you have to fulfill this condition first. 3 player with 80 plus OVR and also 8 player with 70 plus OVR. If you're done, you can tap this exchange button, and we got Scout point, 100 Scout point to use. So good luck, challenge yourself in this Fine Centurions. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click the next button below. Enjoy the game.